This is the chess game that I have created without coding. So as you can see, this is the black turn, so you can see how you can go ahead and play with it. So how I created it is actually really simple. Firstly, you have to go ahead, open the chatgpt.com. From there you have to turn on the option of reasoning, and now type your prompt here. The prompt should be anything, as long as you describe what you need. You can just simply type create a chess game with beautiful UI and navigation. So what type of languages you want, I asked the ChatGPT to simply use HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file, because it will be easy to execute. Now just simply click execute and wait for the result, and once it is done, I'll show you how you can save it and play it locally without installing an application. Okay, so now it is ready. Just simply copy the code, open Notepad, simply paste the code, and now press Ctrl S and go ahead, save it with any file, as long as it has the extension of .html. Okay, now I have chassis.html. I have simply wrote that, and now once that is saved, go ahead, open the location where you simply saved that game. So just double click on it. So as you can see, this is the game. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. That is Blackstone. So as you can see, that is the white, and the move of, and now what about this one? So you get the idea how to simply go ahead and create the game without a single line of coding. Hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.